Hello. Today I have a 2010 Lexus LS460 and I have a oil leak, a lot of oil leak actually, and it's a common problem with this car because this is the second one I have seen the same leak. Let me show you where is it. You see how much leak on here, all over it. So at the beginning you will see the leak coming. This is the oil filter housing, but when you look from the mirror cover over here, at the beginning you will see this leaking, and so you will thought that the oil filter seal is leaking, so you do the oil change in the oil filter, but the car is still leaking. That's what I did at the first car, and then I go farther up there and I see that the oil filter housing is leaking. So like you see, it's a lot of leak, and I took it off. This is two seals over here. It's actually three 12mm bolts, like you see over here. At the beginning, you're gonna take this shield off. It's all the 10mm bolts, and then you're gonna take the 10mm bolt around this metal sheet, and you can leave it hanging over here. That's okay. And then you're gonna take this at the first of all, you're gonna do the drop the oil first. 14mm socket, the oil bang. I drain the oil first, of course. Then you do the oil filter housing seal. I will post the part number in the description below. That's it. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and if you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks.